Kyoto red carrots' shiny red roots and unmistakable sweet flavor are two reasons among many that it's included on the Kyōyosai, a list that highlights the true heritage varieties of the Kyoto prefecture in Japan. Kyoto was Japan's capital from 794 to 1868, and as a hub of cultural and political influence, it drew travelers who brought new vegetable varieties with them. These thrived in the region's rich agricultural fields, and many, such as the Kyoto red carrot, became staples in Kyoto's acclaimed vegetable-based cuisine. Kyoto is on the island of Honshu, surrounded by mountains. Its protected location made it an ideal place for building Buddhist temples and Shinto shrines. In the late 12th to mid-14th century, Zen Buddhism became popular, and with it, a vegetarian lifestyle known as Shojin Ryori, which roughly translates as devotion, self-discipline diet. Shojin Ryori promotes seasonal vegetarian eating to be more aligned with the flow of nature. This religious dietary trend, combined with the difficulty of importing seafood over the mountains, turned Kyoto into a vegetarian wonderland. Beginning in the 12th century, natural breeding of vegetables became very important in Kyoto, and the finest specimens were presented as gifts to the emperor. The Kyoto government named and protected these traditional varieties in the 1970s, when agricultural industrialization threatened to wipe out the country's heirloom vegetable history. To this day, Kyōyosai vegetables are considered the very finest in Japan and are typically more expensive. These varieties aren't just famous in Japan, though. They are also highly regarded in many fine cuisines across the globe, especially Japanese fusion. To be considered for Kyōyosai status, a variety must have been developed before or during the Meiji period of the late 19th and early 20th century. Studies have shown that Kyōyosai vegetables are higher in nutrients and antioxidants than commercial varieties. Kyoto red was introduced from China in the 17th century, and it's known as Kintoki Ninjin in Japan. The dazzling red roots are incredibly tender and sweet, and quite different from the typical orange varieties. They're traditionally part of the Japanese New Year meal, osechi ryori. The roots are carved into the shape of a plum blossom to represent fertility in the coming year. They are also grated with daikon radish to make a red and white salad called namasu. The name Kintoki is a nod to an ancient Japanese folklore hero, a young boy with superhuman strength who rode a bear and carried an axe. Kintoki remains a popular theme in Japan, symbolizing a strong and healthy boyhood. The Kyoto red carrot is a highly coveted fall and winter delicacy in Japan. It's a perfect variety for late summer, fall, or winter gardening. The carrot's red color becomes much darker and more pronounced when grown in the winter. The long, tapered roots grow to 10 to 12 inches long. Try this delicious piece of Japanese culinary history in your fall garden. Thanks so much for watching Seed Stories. We love bringing you the backstory on these amazing varieties. Be sure to click the subscribe button so you won't miss a single episode.